Hina Khan set the internet on fire with her racy pictures on social media on Thursday. In the monochrome pictures, Hina is seen sporting fishnets paired with shorts, knee-length boots, and an overcoat. Last year, Hina's show Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai completed 12 years. In the show, she was seen playing the title role of Akshara. Over the past 12 years, she has walked the Cannes red carpet, been a reality TV star on Bigg Boss and Khatron Ke Khiladi. She had her brush with Bollywood and has also cemented her status as one of the highest paid stars on Indian television. Actress Deepika Padukone makes sure to make heads turn with her stunning style statements every time she steps out of the house. On Thursday, Deepika was bapped by the shutterbugs outside a restaurant. The actress pulled off a stylish look that left everyone in awe. Deepika was seen wearing a black racerback top, which she teamed up with sweatpants and high-top shoes. The Chapak actress accessorized her look with a black bag. She kept her hair tied in a bun. On the acting front, Deepika has a busy year ahead. She will be seen in Shakun Batra's upcoming yet untitled film that also stars Siddhant Chaturvedi and Ananya Pandey. Deepika will also be seen in an untitled film with Amitabh Bachchan and Prabhas, and she has 83 in line where she features opposite husband Ranveer Singh. She will also unite with Bollywood star Hrithik Roshan for the first time for an action-adventure fighter directed by Siddharth Anand. Actress Kangana Ranaut has been shooting for her upcoming film Dhakad in Madhya Pradesh. The actress on Friday shared a photo of herself from the sets of Dhakad after 14 hours of non-stop action shoot. In the photo, Kangana is seen all bruised, while the director Rajneesh Rezi Ghai photobombs her frame. Kangana took to Instagram to share the post. She wrote, 10th night shift non-stop action, 14 hours shift night rolled into morning, but our chief be like, तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. Well, I'm all yours, bring it on. Dhakad is a spy thriller in which Kangana will play the role of Agent Agni, while Arjun Rampal will be seen as antagonist in the film. Arjun's character is named Rudraveer. The film is directed by Rajneesh Rezi Ghai and slated to release on October 1st, 2021. Bollywood actress Jacqueline Fernandez took everyone by surprise as she shared a picture of performing a jaw-dropping stunt with the help of aerial silk. Jacqueline on Friday posted a picture on Instagram where she is seen wearing an ivory-colored leotard. She is seen hanging in air with the help of a fabric which gives her support from the waist, upside down high. She wrote as the caption. Jacqueline currently has multiple films lined up. The actress will be seen in the Akshay Kumar starrer Bachchan Pandey, Kick 2, Bhoot Police and Circus in the coming months. With Nikki Tamboli becoming the first housemate to reach the grand finale of Bigg Boss Season 14, guesswork started over who else would make the cut. Rubina Dilek, Rakhi Sawant, Ali Goni, Rahul Vaidya and Devolina Bhattacharjee have a huge fan base too. Well, Nikki's reaching the final was quite an incident too. Paras Chhabra, who is currently in the house as Devolina Bhattacharjee's connection, declared Rubina the winner of a task, following which she got the ticket to finale. Rubina, being nominated for the rest of the season 14 for throwing a bucket of water on Rakhi Sawant, of course cannot be in the final, but she earned special power to pick a housemate to give the ticket to. Rubina chose Nikki for the ticket, to whom she is closest in the house. While Nikki fans are happy, many others are shocked simply because they feel she has not played impressively enough over the weeks to merit automatic entry into the final.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.